Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to use the coffee maker inside of Voices of the Void. So you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a bag of coffee, at least one, that has some coffee left in it. It says at the bottom when you hover over it. You're going to need one of these little paper cups that you can purchase from the store for $1. Then you're gonna slap the first cup in there. I've already got one inside of the coffee maker. And then I just, for the sake of sanity, put the active coffee bag on top. You don't have to like load it or anything. It doesn't require you to like pour the beans or the instant coffee inside the machine. You just click to use it and it produces a cup of coffee. Coffee is handy because it refills your energy bar, so you don't actually need to sleep, and then you can continuously reuse the same cup to make more coffee if you so please. Just note that the more coffee you drink, the shakier your character gets, until they literally can barely control their body. So just keep that in mind as you do stuff inside of Voices of the Void. Like, it's nice so that you don't have to sleep as much, or at least worry about your energy level throughout the day, because you can end up doing a lot of stuff in this game. At the same time, just like in real life, not a good replacement for actual sleep. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.